I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I felt like I needed to kind of get into the holiday spirit. So I'm basically just gonna be doing a bunch of fun holiday activities. This video is inspired by Ava Jules. She recently did a video like this and it looked like so much fun. Also, I know it's not even Thanksgiving yet, but I just don't care. I've tried to wait it out. Trust me, I've tried to not start celebrating Christmas until the day before Thanksgiving. I mean the day after. That made no sense. I really did try to be one of those people, but I just can't do it. I'm ready for Christmas, so it's gonna happen. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's just get into it. Can I also get a grande peppermint mocha frappuccino? And then a grande iced chestnut praline latte with oat milk. And then a grande iced chestnut praline latte with oat milk, please.
And no whipped cream.
And no whip.
I'm lactose intolerant. Like, actually.
Your food, okay?
Oh, thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you, you too. Okay, so I got a peppermint mocha frappuccino.
I got a grande iced chestnut praline latte with oat milk and no whip.
Wait, this is really good.
This is good. I love this.
This tastes like when you put like candy canes in your hot chocolate or something. But like frozen, obviously.
So true. So true.
It just tastes like iced coffee to me, but it's really good.
Girl, I'm pretty sure they just put sugar on top and I'm just like, chestnut praline. It's like a like holiday.
We gotta rate that.
Oh, okay.
You go first.
A 9 out of 10. I really like it.
This one is a 9 out of 10 too.
That tastes like very Christmassy. Like yours tastes like mine. It's not like, I don't know. I get Christmas vibes just by the name, but like the taste is like just like normal coffee, like you said.
Okay, so I'm here at Target. I'm gonna be looking for anything and everything Christmas related. Hopefully I find some cute decorations, maybe like some PJs, an ugly sweater. By the way, this has nothing to do with this video, but I just posted on Instagram. You guys should definitely go follow me on there. My username is @McKenna_Salazar. Quick little self promo before I go shopping. But yeah, I think that's all. I'm gonna head inside. You guys, Target hooked it up, to say the least. I was so impressed when I walked in there. This man was watching me film. I looked over and caught him staring right at me. He looked away so quick. As I was saying, the last time I went, there were like some Christmas things, but they weren't like fully decorated or anything. But this time, they have definitely finished because there is Christmas stuff everywhere. Please, after you are done watching this video, go to Target, do yourself a favor. The dollar section this year is very good. Let me give you guys a little haul. I tried to stay away from the more like expensive decorations that are like towards the back, if you know what I'm talking about. But here's a little car haul of what I got from Target. First thing is this pillow. It's just this little star. It was like $5, I think. Next thing is also from the dollar section. Oh gosh, this is gonna get stuff all over my car. So it's this little like wrapped tree. They had a bunch of different like variations of this. So I got the one that looks like there's snow on it with like the plaid. I thought this was really cute. Only $3. Next from the dollar section, I got a candle. I didn't even smell this. Oh my gosh, I just realized that. Still smells good. It smells just like Christmas basically. All right, next up, I got this little bag, I guess. I don't really know what to call it. It just closes like that. I just thought this would be good to just like wrap something in. Maybe if I get one of like my family members like some jewelry or something, I can put it in here. It was only $1. And then I also got 2 of these little stockings. I don't know why I got 2. I don't even know where I'm gonna put them, but I'll figure something out. Bro, this man's still watching me. He will not stop looking. He's not even trying to hide it either. Next thing is one of the famous throw blankets that Target always has every season. $10. They are so amazing and comfortable. Bro, come on. Every time I look over, he'll like either look away really quick or he just won't hide it at all. Like, pick one. We've made eye contact probably like 7 times now. Why won't he stop looking at me? I swear. You gotta at least try to hide it. He does have a cute dog though. I will give him that. Next, we have a cookie cutter. This was again only $1. So I got a gingerbread man cookie cutter and then a candy cane cookie cutter. And the last but not least, this is the most expensive thing that I got, but I just wanted to get one sweater. This isn't even like an ugly sweater. It's literally just like a crew neck. It just has Mean Girls on it. All right, that's everything that I got. I was gonna go to Bath and Body Works and get a candle, but I do not want to spend that much money. Also, I know there's a day coming up where they're gonna have a sale, so I'll do that later. You guys will probably see that when I do Vlogmas, but yeah, that is everything that I got. Hey guys, so So before we move on, I wanted to take a minute to talk about today's sponsor, which is Skillshare. So if you do not know what Skillshare is, it's basically just this online learning community. Skillshare just provides you with such like a wide variety of different topics that you can learn about. So if you want to learn about cooking, Skillshare's got you. If you want to learn about journaling, plants, how to be a YouTuber, how to edit videos, how to take pictures, how to grow your social medias, like there's just so many different things that Skillshare has to offer. One class that I've been liking a lot recently is called Daily Art Practice for Self-Care, 14 Days of Messages to Yourself, taught by Jessica Swift. The title is really self-explanatory, obviously, but it's just all about how to take care of yourself, and she combines it with art, which I think is so cool. Another class I've been liking recently is called Designing the Life You Want, 4 Exercises for Clarity and Motivation, taught by Michelle B. Even if the classes that I just showed don't interest you, there's still so many things that you can find on Skillshare. Since Skillshare is curated specifically for learning, there are no ads and they're always adding new premium classes. It's also very affordable. It's less than $10 a month with an annual subscription, and you guys already know I have a deal. The first 1,000 people who click the link in my description will get a free trial of Skillshare Premium. You guys should definitely go check it out, and now let's get back to the video. Alright guys, it is now time to decorate my room. I'm gonna be taking down all of the fall stuff in my room and then putting up all the Christmas stuff that I got from Target. Let me show you guys my decorating attire. Yes, I got my Target PJ pants on. This is what they look like up close. They're so cute and they're also really comfy. And then I'm just wearing this Nike sweatshirt with a huge wrinkle in it that we're all gonna pretend that it's not there. I'm gonna start taking down all of the fall decorations. If you guys wanna see like in detail like what I did to decorate like all this stuff, make sure to go watch my fall outfits video. Decorating my room for fall. Oh my gosh. But I'm gonna be taking them down now. Time to say goodbye to the pumpkin that I got from the thrift store for $2. Grab this. I haven't used this yet. I still want to use it, so I think I'm gonna keep it out. You guys, this candle, I'm emotionally attached to this thing. It just smells so good. This is my first Bath & Body Works like real 3-wick candle that I've like used all of. I am like addicted to these now. Like I said, I'm gonna go get one when they have a sale because I am not gonna spend another $26 on a candle. I just can't let myself do that again. I also have this blanket in my room. This is another one of the $10 little like throw blankets that Target sells during the holiday seasons. So I'm gonna wash this and then put it back into storage. That is all of the Halloween stuff that I had up. I'm gonna go put this stuff away and then decorate for Christmas. Okay, so I'm about to start decorating. I am gonna be doing more than just the decorations from Target, but I'll do them another time. First up, we have this pillow. I'm gonna cut the tags off. I wish they made this one in other colors than just like gray, like a red or like a forest green one. That would be so cute. I put it on my bed. I don't know how to make it look cute with the pillow pet that I have on there right now. I'll figure it out when I get more pillows. Next up is this thingy. Let's see, where am I gonna put this? I think right here where this candle is would be cute, so I'm just gonna like move it right there or something and then put that right there. Okay, next I have this candle. I'm gonna put it where my other candle was, like right here. Okay, I'm gonna try to put up these stockings somewhere, but like I only got 2 for some reason. I don't know why. I should have gotten like 3 because then I could like, you know, like, I don't know. I was dumb for getting 2. I'm gonna put one around my light switch. See, that's cute. Now where could I put this one? We'll figure this out later. I think the last decoration is just my blanket. Okay, I'm just gonna put this on my bed. Okay guys, look, is this cute or does it look stupid? Let me know how I should like put it on my bed. Like, should I lay it flat over the entire thing? I don't know. That's all the decorations for right now. My room still doesn't feel super Christmassy, but it's better than before. Next up, I'm gonna be making my Christmas list. You guys know I couldn't make a Christmas video without making a list. I think for this year, my family is doing Secret Santas. So if you're watching this and you're my Secret Santa, take notes. By the way, these are gonna be in no specific order. It's just gonna be whatever comes to my mind. First thing on my list, I'm gonna have to say Converse. Not just any Converse though, either brown or forest green. They're just so pretty and I feel like I really need to like step up my shoe game. My second thing on the list is wildflower cases. I'm ashamed even saying that. If you watched my case collection video, you would know how in love with their cases I am. Next on my list, I'm gonna have to say gift cards, but specifically to places like Amazon, maybe like Apple Music gift cards because I have Apple Music, like, or you could ask for Spotify if you have Spotify. Next thing I'm gonna add to my list is candles. I've talked about it already. You guys know I love candles now. Another thing that I have been obsessed with recently is my film camera. It's like one of those, I think it's called like a Kodak M something. I'll have it on the screen. It's basically just like a disposable camera, except you can just like reload the film. So I would want to ask for film for it. Now I have some more just like random ideas that aren't necessarily like things that I would like really want, but maybe ideas for you guys to add to your list. Something that I have been loving recently is Grande Lash. It's like a lash serum. Definitely do your research on that first, because it's like something that you would put on like your eyes. I wouldn't want any of you guys getting like hurt or having any sort of like reactions to it, but for me it's been working really well. I've been using it for like 4 or 5 weeks now, and I feel like I actually am seeing a difference in my eyelashes. So maybe Grande Lash. Another thing is vinyls, like these ones right here. I personally feel like I would want the Positions vinyl if they make one. That album is just so good. I feel like there's no skips on it, personally. That's my opinion. I've heard a lot of bad things about that album though, but I disagree very much. Another idea is like makeup or like skincare or something. And lastly, I had to add one bougie thing to my list. It's not gonna happen. I'm not gonna get it, and I'm not gonna like ask my family for it because that's like crazy. But something that I have had my eye on, I'm not even like typically a person that's like super into like designer stuff, but that one Tiffany necklace, the one that's like a thick chain and then like a heart, it is so cute. I love it so much, and I really like heart jewelry. If you've been watching me for a while, you probably know that, but I just think that necklace is really cute, but it's like hundreds of dollars. I think that is just about everything that I'm gonna be putting on my Christmas list this year. Everyone go comment what is on your wish list this year. But yeah, I think that's it. So let's move on to the next holiday activity. Alright, so to finish off this video, I'm gonna be doing some baking. You can hardly even call this baking. Literally just gonna be putting things in the oven. These cookies are so good, but they are so hard to find. Maybe it's just my Target, I don't know, but like I never am able to find these. Every other year it's been so difficult. I don't know if I just like went early or something this year, but I was able to find some. First I need to preheat the oven. Probably should have done that before I started filming. I did not think about that. Yeah, literally all I do is, oh, they're safe to eat raw. I'm gonna try one of the e.l.f. ones. This is what the box looks like. I'm not sure how to feel about how they taste raw. They're good, don't get me wrong, but they're not nearly as good as like regular real cookie dough that you would like actually make. All right, the oven is done preheating, so I'm gonna start putting these on the cookie sheet. Here's the little snowman cookies. They look so cute. My hands are clean, by the way. I'm putting these kind of close together because I know they're not really gonna like spread out. All right, so the cookies are all done. I put them on cute little Christmas plates. Here's the other half. I definitely already ate some. But yeah, so that was the last holiday activity that I am doing in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you watched up until this point, please go comment down below some ideas that you want me to do for Vlogmas. I'm gonna try my hardest to do Vlogmas. Sometimes it just gets like really stressful and I don't know how school's gonna be. I don't think it's gonna be every single day, but I will definitely try to just upload vlogs as much as I possibly can. I'm not sure yet if there's gonna be a schedule, but we'll see how school is going at the time and just how busy I am. But yeah, so please go comment down below any ideas that you would want to see in all of my vlogs for Vlogmas. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.